Hi guys, and welcome to Copy Trading Chronicles. On this channel I will do not tell you any tales about how to become millionaire investing just $10 and make good trades in copy trading. On this channel I'll sharing with you my personal experience, my personal trade and reality of master trading and copy trading. Let's start. So today we will review last week performance of the trades. We will check how the bot doing and if the any correction adjustment needed, maybe new bot launching, etc. Okay, so let's go further. So last week performance, you see I'm still struggling to finish every single week as a positive. Like last week it was about -2%, this week about 7%, but still red, yeah. So even performance is doing stable, I would say, but there is some was peak, drop and down. Like you see, we had some on Wednesday like good 26%, but then slowly and especially over weekend it's not dramatic. Like you see, it's -6%, -1%, and it's floatable. You will see that, for example, from where it came, like I had running two bots now, and you see that one bot is doing good, it's a green zone, it's generating profit, and another bot's in the red zone. So it's why it's balancing like up and down, because one bot brings some profit, another bot consuming its profit, but it is running, so it means it's not fixed, yeah. And the goal is to move all bots to the positive. Like for example, with previous bot on ADA, I stopped it during the week and start another bot, yeah. So like you see, it was almost no trade, like it runs 4 days and just make 3 trades. So okay, slightly positive, like 0.5 errors. So I restart this bot with the different settings. We will go review what kind of settings for this bot. And yeah, it goes to negative at the beginning because it's okay, it's long bot, it's nothing dramatical. We will see it on the chart of this bot. And the second bot, it's XRP, which running the second week, already 2 week, more than 2 week. And you see trade account also is like not big. Like for example, here it was successful bot, 238 trades, but now it's only 41 trades for the even less amount. Here was like 11 days, yeah, and here 16 days. So something need to be adjusted, yeah. Let's look in the bot details. So here we can see the bot details, yeah. So as I mentioned, is XRP bot is a range 2.2, 3.4. You see, it's good. It's total P&L like plus 18%, but for 2 weeks. So what I'm thinking, it's maybe I will need to replace this bot, but when it will be go a bit upper, yeah, like through the week, because it seems like price range is too high, like just 30 degrees, but it's like big price variation. So if you look, for example, on the net, so it's still okay. I mean, bought in the low part of the trades, and there is a huge place to go, but market going in the flat, you see, it's absolutely horizontal. So, and it's why this brought trading not so big, because for the good trading bots there should be big fluctuation of the market, but now in reality you see it's very limited. Like it goes up to 260, now it's 240, so variation is just 20 points, which is very small. So let's see, or something will be changed on the market, or I will probably replace this bot for the week. So let's look on another bot, yeah, on ADA. Is what I think probably my mistakes. As I say, I already restart one bot, so it means I close this one, which was more higher net, open another one, but it still shows very low. You see, just 8 trade for the 3 days. It did just 8 trades, and now it goes to negative zone, but it still looks, I mean, in terms of range, you see it's up to 67. So it still looks good and not dramatical. Like if price will go to 67, so I think I will open another bot on the other same as the long. If price will go above, I believe in positive, yeah. So probably I will close this bot, because you see, like, on 4 hours graph, it looks like this bot, it's absolutely like very small fluctuation, yeah. And it's not we need like for bot big. So maybe ADA itself, it's not good. Yeah, that's what came to my mind. Maybe ADA itself, it's not good and need to be replaced as instrument. So volatility is very low, like you see. It's, I don't know, it's since several days, like more than 1 week is fluctuation, or very small, yeah. And of course, it's gives results. So my conclusion for this bot, if it's go to the lower level, like 67 or below, I will open another bot with the same long. If it go to positive, like I don't know, plus 1%, plus 5%, whatever the positive, I will close this bot and will look for another alternative, yeah. Because you see, it's like not really the interesting. Maybe Solana could be good alternative for this bot, yeah. So replace ADA to Solana, because Solana sometimes shows good fluctuation, yeah. If you look on the graph, let's see what kind of instruments we can use. Okay, so if we look for alternatives, yeah, we see that XRP is there in the top trading with Fire. Solana is also there, yeah, so in the top trading. So maybe it would be interesting to replace ADA to Solana. I will not test with like shit coins which give 50-60%, so no, it's too much. Maybe fart coin, yeah, maybe it's also what interesting to test, because you see it's come close to XRP for the trades volume, yeah. So maybe I will open fart coins and we'll look how this will trade. Let's see, let's see. Yeah, so here is a bots for fart coin. And yeah, it's looks interesting. You see the long bots is most trading. It's like doing crazy IRP, like 1,700. But what is approximately not good point for the entry, because you see you have like 0.56 and it's like 0.49, so it probably is very close to the upper limit, yeah. And yeah, it's not really good entry point. So yeah, as I mentioned, maybe I will keep eye on fart coins, like replacement of ADA, or maybe Solana, yeah, also could be replacement of ADA. And then we will see what kind of bot I can start. So far, let's keep as it is. So conclusion for this week, I will not change the current bots, because these bots still on the bottom level and just need to have good long impulse to generate profit further. So it's no point to close it, because it's still profitable. This bot ADA, definitely ADA doesn't work. So there is two scenario for ADA. If it goes below the lower border of the bot, lower grid level, I will open another bot, like, to compensate and get benefit from correction. Or if this current bot will goes to positive, so I will close this bot and probably will go for another instrument like Solana or fart coins, because you see ADA doesn't work, yeah. So one bot I test 4 days, almost zero. Another bot I test 3 days, red zone. So yeah, let's keep high volatile instruments, means XRP. And as I say, my next point is Solana or maybe fart coins, yeah, because fart coins also looks interesting and trading volume quite big. So yeah, that's all for this week. Subscribe, stay with me. You can copy all the time. Just follow me, click copy, and take benefits of the trades. Of us, there is no benefits, it's just trade negative. But you see, profit sharing is 5%, and in some days you can fix the profit. Yeah, you see, like there was a good amount of profit, like 26% on the daily errors. So if you fix maybe and unsubscribe, so then it can generate some profit. Okay, guys, so that's all for this week. Stay with me for more updates coming soon. And I will put also any updates if I will change something. I will put short video, maybe YouTube shorts, for let you know what I did change in my strategy. Okay, so have a good day, have a good profits, and ciao.